Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the mesh so smoothing behaves predictably. Activate Dynamesh or Remesh to remove extreme topology issues. This gives consistent results. Once done, choose the Smooth brush or hold shift while sculpting with any brush to apply smoothing. Make sure to check brush intensity and focal shift. Lowering intensity gives subtle surface polish, while higher values simplify forms quickly. Use lazy mouse if you need steadier strokes. This helps maintain edges when you want smooth planes without losing silhouette. Now focus on controlled, targeted smoothing to preserve detail where needed. You can vary smooth brush intensity between about 10 and 70, depending on whether you want subtle polish or stronger softening. When you must protect specific features, mask them, then inverse the mask to smooth only the exposed area. Once broad smoothing is complete, switch to H polish or trim dynamic to re-establish crisp planes and edges. This two-step approach smooths surfaces without turning everything into a blob. Remember to re-evaluate silhouette after each pass. To finish, use subdivision levels strategically. Make smoothing passes on higher levels and return to lower levels to correct overall form. Once done, make sure proportions still read correctly. Final polish belongs on the highest level for surface evenness, then check low-level shapes. If you accidentally remove important detail, undo and lower smooth intensity or step down subdivisions. You can also use project all or morph brush techniques to restore lost detail by projecting from a backup. Keep a saved version before heavy smoothing so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.